Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to MileIQ for accurate deduction logs, beginner guide step by step clearly. If you do not have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account if prompted. You will need to provide your email address and create a password. Check your email for a verification message and click the link to verify your account. After verification, return to the MileIQ app and log in with your credentials. On the main dashboard, look for the settings or account icon, usually located at the top right. Tap on the icon to access your account settings. Scroll down to find the subscription or plan option. Choose the subscription plan that best suits your needs from the list provided. After selecting a plan, you will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in the required payment details and review any terms and conditions. Once you confirm your payment, the app will process your subscription. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your subscription is active. Now, you can start using MileIQ to log your drives and track deductible mileage accurately. Explore the app features to familiarize yourself with its functionalities, including automated tracking and reporting. For any additional questions, refer to the MileIQ Help Center or customer support. Enjoy effortless mileage tracking with your new subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.